to not dishearten myself if I have lost, so that I'll do not sing and enjoy myself and help myself how to recover Hautefort, which I have surrendered to the Lord of Night because he wanted it. And since begging for mercy I came before him, and the Count, pardoning me, has retained me, kissing me. I must not have any harm from it, no matter what he said to me last year. And I do not flatter slanderers. Toward me I perjured 3 Palatines, and the 4 Viscounties of Limousin, and the 2 combed Perigordins, and the 3 foolish Counts of Angoulême, and Lord Centels with Gaston, and all the other barons made me a pledge. And the Count of Dijon with the Breton Count, and Raymond of Avignon, and never did one keep faith with me. Without keeping faith, a friend I hold as equal as I do my enemy, who does me no harm. For in an ancient monastery of Saint Martial, many a powerful man swore to me on a missal. One pledged me his faith of this, not to make an agreement without me, who since never kept faith with me. And it did not go well for him, for he placed himself at mercy and agreed with himself. This I pledge to you by my faith. If the Count is gracious to me and not avaricious, I will be most valiant to him in his affairs, and as pure as silver, humble and dear. And let the Count act with the wisdom that the sea does. When something good falls into it, it wants it to stay with it, and that which is of no profit to it throws out onto the sand. Thus it is fitting for a baron that he keep what he loses, and if he takes that, he then give. I wish to beg the Count that he commend my house to me to God, or that he give it to me. For now all these barons are stingy toward me, so that I cannot stay with them without contention. Now the Count can recover me without trouble, and I can return toward him and serve and honor him. And I did not want to do it until the abandonment I have come to from Lord Aymer. Lady with the stingy heart, in promising and giving, since you do not want to lie with me, you